Hi, I'm Aline Pilani, and this is key number 4. All people who achieved weight loss success have had friends and family support them. Now, since you are a member of Fat Melter Academy, you have my full support. However, if you can make some of your friends and family support you, you would be even more successful, and chances to quit are much smaller. I remember that a few years ago, I saw an experiment in which 2 people had to keep their feet in freezing water. The winner was getting something like $50. So, one of them was alone, while the other one had 4 friends around him to support him. The one who had support kept his feet in the freezing water almost 2 times longer than the one who was alone. So that's why I want you to have support. So, take the piece of paper and write down 4 people who could support you. Think of the ones who will be more likely to stand by you, and then call them and just tell them, "Hey, I decided to lose 20 pounds in the next 30 days, and I was wondering if you would support me. Like, call me every few days to see how I'm doing, or like, if I'm upset and feel like eating a piece of cake in the evening, to be able to call you." I am 100% that any person you would ask would love to help. So make the list of 4 people and call them right now.